My name is Jamie Davis, and I am the Visual Resources Manager and the Traveling Exhibits Coordinator for the Virginia Museum of History and Culture.
And my name is Paige Newman. I'm the Associate Archivist for Collections Processing.
So we decided to create a program called the History on Tap, working through 9.5 million artifacts in our collection, finding recipes that related to alcoholic beverages, and then finding partners that we could work with. We've been fortunate enough to work with Blue Bee twice now.
I'm Courtney. I'm the owner and general manager of Blue Bee Cider. I also work in the cellar as a cider maker.
I'm Taylor Benson. I'm the cider maker here.
Virginia was really the first place where English settlers came to live, and cider was already part of their culture. So cider was the first beverage of choice. And we lost all of that information during Prohibition. All the varieties went away, all the traditions went away. And without the historic record, there would be no means of capturing that information for the future.
It's great recreating something that was a product that people used to make so long ago. But it's always fun being able to work with barrels, and especially barrel fermenting. That's not something that we do very often, but when we get to do it, it's always very special for us. And it's for a special occasion.
The B-Day!
Tell us more about your B-Day and why you wanted to include this project for it.
Sure. So our birthday is going to be on October 6th, and it's our 5th year anniversary, so the wooden anniversary. And this is one of my favorite barrel projects that we do. It's based on this really great old recipe. It already has a fan base because of you guys, so it's fun to re-release a project that already has a following. So this is Pippin. As per the recipe.
It shows that history is still relevant. Every day is history. We are constantly making history. We can still use these same recipes and create drinks that people of today's time are appreciating and requesting, demanding even.
Yeah, that's true.